Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all doing today on this lovely Sunday morning? Maybe not quite so lovely because it's a little bit cloudy in Hereford. I hope the sun's shining wherever you are. Today we're talking under-eye brighteners. We are. I've got one to show you which is by Technic. It is this one from Asda, £1.98 I think I paid for it, and I even got the pink powder to go with it. We'll try those later on. Stay tuned though, because I'm going to show you how to make your own under-eye brightener using very, very simple products, very, very cheap products too. So that sounds like something you want to find out more about. Stay tuned. Right, beautiful guys. I'll try not to say so many times today because I can't stand it when people start sentences with so. But what's the point? Right, I'm waffling. I do tend to waffle though, don't I? Right, yeah. Right, nearly said so. The biggest drawback I can see with a product like the Technic, what's it called? Brightening, Pink Perfect Brightener. Yep, that's its name. And the powder's called Pink Perfect Brightening Setting Powder. I was just going to say that the issue I have with these is they do only come in one shade, and the shades tend to be really, really, really pale as well, thus making you look like a panda bear. And of course, if you haven't got whopping great big dark circles or dark areas under your eyes, then it's going to light up like a Belisha beacon. So I'll just demonstrate this to you very quickly. It's a really, really, really full-on product though. It's really full coverage. And I'm just going to just go in straight in with it because, well, why not? You don't want to be here forever, do you guys? No, I haven't got time to be here forever. I haven't. So as I just said, it's a little bit of this goes a really, really, really long way. So I'm going to have to be really, really careful where I put it. I did try it the other day and I was horrified. So that should be plenty for our first application. Just identify the areas of blueness or any areas that need brightening. And then just let that sit for 30 seconds to a minute. That should be plenty of time for some of the agents to start evaporating. Yeah. And then go in with a sponge. I like to use one of these little powder puff things because they are brilliant. They give you a far more airbrush sort of look. And can you see what I mean, guys? I mean, look at that. Close your eye and I'm just dabbing it on at the minute. It's a really, really, really full-on product, full-on coverage product. It has worked though. I mean, what more can I say? You saw how much of that I put on, didn't you? I put on the smallest amount, and I got some of it in my eye as well, so I can't see anything now. That's my issue though. Yeah, so what more can I say about it other than the fact it is the most fullest coverage, most concentrated, where is it? Under-eye brightening concealing thing I've ever come across. I don't like these sort of concealers because of the reason I just said, that it's way, way, way too pale, isn't it, guys? It is. Just do some more blending. It's self-setting as well, so and it does set in about a minute to 2 minutes. So if you don't work quickly, then you're buggered basically. Now, do bear in mind, I've got a bit of a tan at the minute, which is a new departure for me. I never, ever, ever have suntans, do I? I mean, how many times have you guys seen me with a suntan other than a makeup suntan? But yeah, you can definitely see a huge difference between the pale area, just the under-eye brightener and the skin, can't you? I mean, just put my glasses on, my new Chanel glasses, and I'll have it there from B&M actually. But yeah, it is a nice product though, and it went on, it went on really, really, really nicely, and I managed to diffuse it quite well, I think. But it's not. It's way, way, way too pale, isn't it? And this is what I'm seeing all over TikTok and YouTube and Facebook at the minute. All these people with these huge, great big under eyes, and I think it looks like you've been wearing skiing goggles or something like that. Does that make sense? Which isn't really the best look, is it, in the world, especially when people don't blend or put too much on and they bring it all around here and they don't bother to blend it in. My skin looks quite good at the minute, doesn't it? Oh, by the way, I just used some of this to prep with, which is yeah, okay. And I just dabbed that on and left it on for about 5 minutes to absorb. But Yeah, it is a nice product though, don't get me wrong guys, and for £1, however much it cost, it was in a little Technic sort of cardboardy, cabinety sort of pop-up thing is all I can describe. Pop-up display unit in Asda last week, and just fancied buying myself something because I do have an addiction de la ventre. So let's stop pretending I know what I'm talking about, because I don't know. I don't know any French really at all. I do have an addiction to shopping as well, you know. And I actually think my partner David, my husband David's now got it as well. He's got the amount of records he's bought. There's a huge great big pile of them upstairs, guys, and we'll all spend all of tonight, and he'll spend all of today, all of tomorrow, opening all of his new records. Bless his heart though. Right then, beautiful one. Shall I get on and show you this hack? So what you'll need is a concealer of some description. It's upside down again. This is the Stretch Concealer by Technic. You'll also need a red or a pink lipstick, or a lip gloss would work just as easily, and the back of your hand. It's quite simple. And the beauty behind this technique is you can get a concealing, an under eye brightener which far closely matches your skin tone. And you can go directly onto your eye if you want, but I'm going to just mix this on the back of my hand just to show you how easy this technique can be. So let's just get some of that on there. There's loads on there, isn't there? Bloody loads. Just add some of him onto there. Put the lid on that one. And then what we're going to do is just open up the red lipstick. This is a satin red lipstick, again by Technic. I don't know why I buy so much stuff from theirs, but... And then just do a little blob there. That's all you need to do, guys. And to start mixing that together. Incorporate it slowly at first, as fast as you want. Just keep adding lipstick, guys, until you've got the that area there was a little bit too pale. So what I've done is I put another strip of lipstick down the side of my hand there, and now it's worked. So I didn't put enough red lipstick on first. That one does look pretty pink though, doesn't it? But not too pale, so so we can use that with confidence now, and know that that won't make me look like a panda. Right, let's just get on and do this, shall we? So where did I put it before? And obviously I can use as much of this. Well, not as much as I like, but a lot more than the other one. Even bring it under. If your dark areas extend under your eye, then there's nothing stopping you from bringing it all of the way under your eye. Anyway, you have darkness really. I mean, I'm obviously just doing this for demonstration purposes. Purposes? What am I on about? This is quite a waxy sort of concealing and lipstick duo, because both of them are wax based. Do try and get the formulations, the compositions of the formulations pretty similar. So if you're using a silicone based concealer, try and make sure your lipstick is silicone based. Although with a little bit of elbow grease, it will mesh together in the end. So. Right, and why did I tell you it's wax based? Because it won't dry like a self-setting concealer, so you will need to powder afterwards. But this just demonstrates how simple and how effective this technique is for brightening the under eye. There. And I think my under eye looks pretty perfect now, beautiful ones, don't you? So that's today's tip, or hack. Hack as they're known. Done and dusted. Have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you all very, very soon for the next tutorial, where I will share some more of my tips with you. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Remember, I love you all. Take care. See you. Bye.